Flyer TV just allows for such amazing hands-on learning.
A lot of people do late night talk shows, morning talk shows, game shows, and then you can even film sitcoms in here. So if you think about it, you can film it in here.
I met so many wonderful people through this. And at the end of the day, it just feels like a large family that's brought together by something we all love. We just had the premiere for a documentary we've been working on for over a year. And to be a part of that project that takes an entire 2 semesters, it really does prepare you for the real world. Just because you're working with a team, you have deadlines, it kind of sets things into perspective, like this is how a real world job is going to look. Flyers in Hollywood was amazing. We flew out to LA and Vegas. We went to Vegas for a career fair, and then we went to LA, and then we saw Flyer alums who are working at Nickelodeon, Netflix, Paramount. Not only do you get job opportunities, but you get to see where Flyers have gone. And it makes you think, this alumni graduated 2 years ago and he's already in LA, so it's possible. I would say that now that I'm graduating, what I'll miss most is this space and the people in it. UD will stay with me through my friends, because every time we text, call, chat, I'll just be thankful that I went to UD.